I am so excited because I found them. Yes, yes. And I'm wearing my Grinch shirt to celebrate. I found them. Well, I can't say that I found them. My coworker, she actually located them a couple of days ago. I was telling her about how I was trying to find these guys. And her daughter goes to school in Knoxville, and she was like, well, I'll have her look at the Knoxville Five Below and see if they have any. But my coworker went to the one here in town a couple of days ago. She texted me and said, they have the Grinch, and they also have Max. And I was like, I didn't even know Max existed. So she wanted to know if I wanted them both. And I was like, of course I want Max. Max is my favorite because dog. But, so, I'm going to unbox these here and see if the yarn and everything is the same as the stitch, Santa stitch that I unboxed a couple of days ago. If you haven't seen that video, please take a look. And then I will make these guys for upcoming Vlogmas because I'm going to be doing an entire month of crochet items for the channel and for myself. So let's get started. So the Grinch kit is licensed, so it has the Grinch and Dr. Seuss on here. So inside we have a small packet that contains the eyes. It's got the hook, it's got the needle, and the, I guess these are the accessory or accentuating collars, a smaller amount of collars. It looks like it's the same kind of yarn, that small plushy yarn. There's the hook. A good feel of this hook. It has a good feel. This is a 4mm. I believe the stitch was 3.5. I'll have to double check. So yeah, it's a little bit bigger. So that's a 4mm. I'll try to use this, but I'm guessing I'm going to end up with my nice 4mm clover hook. So we got our packet of stuffing and a big wad of sickeningly green, Grinchy Grinch green. That looks nice. It's that same nice texture. This actually looks like it might be a little bit thicker than the stitch yarn. I'll have to double check with it. I don't have it with me right now. It looks like we have the instructions as the other one had. So we've got the page of crochet terms and how to do things, techniques, and then we have the Grinch. We have his we have the pattern. He has a scarf, apparently, is what that extra red must be for. And it's just one page. So, looks pretty simple, pretty straightforward. It does not use the magic circle, I can tell you right now, because it's saying to chain 2 and then do your hooks in that. So it's kind of more old school, I guess, with not magic ring. So I don't anticipate this taking very long to work up, but I have another project in the works, and I'll talk about that here in a minute after we unbox Maxie Max. So I'm guessing Max is going to have the same thing, but I'm curious about his eyes. On here, they look kind of like Google eyes. I don't know if you can tell, but on the back, it looks like they might be the kind with the glitter behind them. So that last box, I just kind of ripped it, and then this tape is a little rubbery, and once you get it kind of stretched, it comes right off. Okay, all right, Max. Oh, Max. I thought the needle was outside of the box. I was like, yeah. Okay, looks like the same thing. We've got some light brown, or brown, looks like his main color. And we have a hook. And the eyeballs are down in there. I'm going to see, now that I see them up close, I'm pretty sure they are they've got glitter behind them, I think. No, they do not. I think they're just plain clear. Yeah, they're just plain clear, which is odd. No shine to them that I can tell. They're just the plain clear ones like I get with that you put the glitter background on it. Unless there's a glitter background somewhere in here or somewhere inside. We'll see. This is also a 4mm. So yeah, if I don't, whichever one I start with, and if I end up not liking that needle or that hook, I'm definitely going to end up using my my good Clover 4mm hook for certain. Again, same yarn. This is oh, that must be for his ears. This is a lighter color brown, and so this is before the Grinch puts the horn on him because he doesn't have his horn. And then stuffing. And same thing, a crochet kit terms and an instruction. So also does not start with the magic ring. This does have some, I guess because you're doing a different technique, it does have some graphics. And oh, his toes, it looks like you're gonna have to do bobble stitches for his toes. And then this has a completed image because it's doing the collar. So that's why that. So left ear, right ear, head, nose, tail, and it looks like he has maybe bobble stitches for feet. I'll have to see, because on here these look like bobble stitches, but on here it looks like he's making a toe, making toes, and that says tail, and you can't see his back, what his back side looks like. So I'm not exactly sure what that is. So this one might be confusing. I'm kind of confused what's going on here. So once I read through it, I'll probably can make more sense of it. But from the image on the back, it looks like you're making little tiny toes. But on the bigger image, the image itself and on the box, it looks like those bobble stitches are much bigger. So it could just be a generic photo that they put on there. So I may start with Max first, since he looks like he's going to be far more complicated than the Grinch himself. So, like I said, I'm going to be doing Vlogmas. I don't know if Vlogmas is still a thing, but I'm going to still do it. I'm going to try to do it this year. I'm going to try to make all 25 days. I don't know if that's going to be possible. But I'm making another video about a project that I'm going to be doing stash busting. It's all Christmas related. And then when I decide, not when I decide, but when I start working on the ornament a day, crochet ornament a day, I will be trying to do it all from stash. I'm going to try to not purchase a single skein of yarn for any of the projects that I do. Now, I am working on another project that I had to purchase a skein of yarn because it was not the color, but that's not part of the thing. So thanks for watching. I hope you like and subscribe, because I will be doing a whole lot of things in December. I'm going to be doing my ornament a day for Advent, and technically Advent starts on the 30th, so next Sunday it starts. So I may make a video or make an ornament starting on actual Advent day and then working all the way up until the 23rd. You know, I'm going to do, I wanted to do 25. I do have the tree, and there's, you know, it's a thrifted tree. So I'm hoping you'll stay tuned for that, and stay tuned to see the completed Grinch, the completed Max, and the completed Stitch. I think I'll do a separate video for those three things just to review the kit, because I think that deserves its own video rather than part of the 25 days of ornaments. So thanks for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed the video, and that you will come back and see how the Grinch, Max, and Stitch turned out, and that you will join me for the 25 days of ornaments that will be starting next week, and see about the thrifted tree, see about all the fun things I have planned for Vlogmas. I don't know if Vlogmas is still a thing, but it is still a thing for me. So thanks for watching.